Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add collapsible content in Shopify. So generally it happen in the product description, so I will just use it, and because there's a no such option and there's a no application you can use this, so we have to code, and I will give you the code, no worries, you can just do it instantly. But if you have to use only three themes, right? Dawn, Spotlight and Refresh. Make sure that you use only this code in these three themes here because this is the most flexible and they pretty free and normal themes, right? So once you have selected any one of the theme here, click on the three dots and go to edit code. Once you're here, once you're here in the top filter, you have to type main dash pro, right? So you will get this option, right? Main dash product dot liquid. You have to click on it. Now if you're using a Windows, then in your keyboard Control plus F, you have to click this, and if you're using a Mac, then click Command plus F, right? So basically this is here, you can also find it on the top search bar too. Now here you have to type, this. Let me zoom out for you guys. Here you can see, right? When description, this will be in the description, so you can just copy this up. And as you can see here, right, you have to just type this, you will get in the description, right? And make sure, for example, many of you will get confused. You will, when you will press Control plus F, it will open up here, right? So for example, if you're not here, right, your mouse is click somewhere and then you can just press Control plus F, then it will show up here, and in this way you will not able to find. So what you have to do, you have to click on this code first of all, and once you do this, then you have to press Ctrl plus F, and here in the bottom it will show up. Now you can paste this and you will find this up, right? It will be highlighted here. Okay, so now guys, you have to watch this very carefully. I will zoom it for you guys. Now when there's a description word in the third line, right, this is a div. Now here, this is the start of this code, and here this is the end of this code, right? So we have to completely select this, right? I hope you can see this. Now there's a link in the description where you will find this code here, right? And we have to completely copy this up code, right? So I will just copy this, right click and copy this here. Now here, once you have selected each and everything, right? So let's have it selected once again till the third line here, and I will paste this up. And once paste, as you can see here, the code is a little bit longer. It started from here and ended till here, right? Once everything is done, you have to just go and click on save, right? And now you will able to get a collapsible section in your Shopify store, right? So this is really easy, but you have to make sure you copy and these steps very carefully, and every link is available in the description. And this is how it's work. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.